We'll guide you through how to translate a PDF to another language for free. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a PDF in a language that I want to go and translate. So I'll go and open it up for you. And as you can see, this is in German here. I want to go and get this to English. You may want to go and translate it to a different language, and it may be in a different language already right now. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure to this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So to go and get started with this, what we're going to do is I'm just going to come and close out of the PDF like so. What you need to do is you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice, whether that's Microsoft Edge, Chrome, Firefox, it doesn't matter. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and search for Google Translate. That is what we're going to go and use. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Alternatively, in the address bar, you can type in translate.google.com and you'll be right there. But I'm just going to go and type in Google Translate like so. Google Translate in the Google search, but that isn't what we want. We need to come to the site. So here we are. Now, because we've got a PDF, we can actually come straight to documents at the top. So you need to come to the row of options and go and press that there. You can go and drag and drop it, or alternatively, you can press browse your files. Your file explorer goes and opens and you need to go and locate it. So I'm going to press desktop to the left and we can then scroll down and go and find it. As you can see, here it is, German PDF. So I then got it selected, and what we can then do is go and press open. Then there it is there. So it's going to go and detect the language. You can just go and let it do that. And then over to the right here, you can choose what language you want it translated to. So I'm going to go and select English. Go and press translate. And if you go and get an error saying can't translate this file right now, try going and selecting the language that it's in at the top. So this is in German, so I'll select that and then we can try it. If you still get the error, just go to the top and click on the address and reload it. And then we're going to try uploading it again. Then we'll go and press translate. And hopefully now it'll go and work, as you can see. You can go and open the translation, or we can just go and download it. I'll just go and download it in this case, and it'll open, and it's now been translated. As you can see, that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish them every single day, so I look forward to helping you again. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon. Goodbye for now.